YouTube? It's Aleah and I'm back with another video for you guys today. So as you see by the title, today I'm going to be doing this Christmas tree lights makeup look. And guys, this look was so much fun to do. I really love it. I thought it was kind of like off a little bit because like when I talk I raise my eyebrow for some reason, but it's not. It's not all. If you're new to this channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Like, we're family now, so you kind of like have to push it. Once I get to 100 subscribers, I got a surprise for you guys. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, make sure you guys keep on watching. To all my subscribers, Merry Christmas. So to start off, I'm just going to take my Maybelline Super Stay Concealer in the shade Light, and I'm going to put that all over my eyes. And then after that, I'm going to take my Mario Badescu facial spray and my beauty blender, and I'm just going to pat that down. Then going into the James Charles x Morphe palette, I'm going to take this very light brown shade right here, and I'm going to put that all in my crease and close to my brow bone. Going back into the same palette, I'm going to take this orange brownish shade right here and this brown shade next to it, and I'm going to put that all in the outer corner of my eyes. And right here, I'm just going back in with that light brown shade and just blending it in with everything. So then we're going to go back in with that concealer and we're going to cut our crease. So this part took a very long time for me, but I finally got it to where I want it. Then going back in with my beauty blender, I'm just going to pat this down so that it's matte. Then going in with my Makeup Revolution London palette, I'm going to take these two very similar shades right here, and I'm just going to pack that right on top of my cut crease. And the reason why you want to use a light shade on your cut crease is so that when you add the Christmas lights to your eyes, it's going to pop. So now going in with my NYX Epic Ink liner, I'm going to start drawing the lights for the Christmas tree. And for this, I didn't want to make them too neat. Some people draw it neat, but for me, when I think of Christmas tree lights, I think of them scrunched together. So that's why I decided to draw like little curves on the bottom and the top. If you want to draw it really neat, you can. If you don't, do you. Now going back in with the Makeup Revolution palette, I'm going to go in with the blue, the red, and the yellow to make my Christmas lights. And for the lights, you guys might want to use a smaller brush than I did. My smallest brush was dirty and I didn't feel like cleaning it, but just use what you have. Then going back into the James Charles palette, I'm going to take this baby blue right here to make the blue lights a little bit brighter. Then I'm going to take my NYX Vivid Bright Eyeliner in the shade Vivid Envy, and I'm going to start making the green lights. And obviously you just want to wait until everything is dried before you add anything on top, that way nothing mixes. And I don't know if it's just me, but these Vivid Bright eyeliners stink. Like, I really don't know if it's just me. But anyway, so you're just going to see me add the rest of the lights onto my eye, and then I'm going to take my Morphe eyeliner and I'm just going to connect the lights together, and then I'm going to use the Morphe white eyeliner to create little dots within the lights to create that effect. And for the lights, I kind of made them a little bit too close together. So if you're going to do this look, make sure you separate them a little bit so that way when you draw the line to connect them to the cut crease, it's not so jumbled together. And make sure you don't add the dots in your crease. I accidentally did that with mine, but it still came out pretty good. Then I'm going to create a very small wing liner, and then I'm going to go in with my Glitter Cleo Cosmetics palette. I'm going to take the shade Red, and I'm going to put that in the corner of my eyes, and here's the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video. I love doing this look. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media and subscribe. And always, I will see you guys in the next one.